With high winds and road conditions in a hazardous state all day, it's no surprise that accidents were to follow. Earlier this afternoon, a semi was just one of the victims of the challenging road conditions and rolled over onto the median of the interstate near mile marker 70. The National Weather Service tells Highway Patrol that wind gusts likely contributed to that crash, reaching between up to 65 miles per hour today, and strong winds continue. So if you're traveling or commuting, there's a reminder to drive safe and be prepared for those high winds.